One bite changes everything.
Welcome back to JT Caribbean Palace Kitchen. This is JT, and today I'm making honey lamb glaze salmon with stir-fried cauliflower and mango lamb salsa with steamed cabbage with carrots. Now let's do the steamed cabbage. I have here some oil, and then I add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. I will just add the cabbage and the carrots, mix it together, add a little bit sea salt, black pepper, and add a little bit ginger to it for flavor. Almost done. Turn it off now. It's done. Look at the texture. Cabbage, carrot, flour. I will start a little bit avocado oil or olive oil, whichever you prefer. Now I will introduce my garlic and red onion, cauliflower stir-fry rice. Oh my God, can be very delicious, healthy, low carbohydrate, and tastes delicious. I'll just add 1 egg, add a little bit bouillon to it, a little bit black pepper to taste, garlic, red onion. Now I will add my cauliflower rice. Mix everything together. When I'm making cauliflower rice, I like to stir fry some onion, green onion, and then here you go, a little more green onion. It's time for the salmon. Seasoning the salmon, I'm just going to use black pepper and salt only. Little bit black pepper and then little bit sea salt. The salmon already cleaned, washed and cleaned with lime, and then little bit sea salt. So the salmon is done. Seasoning, just 2 things, black pepper and salt. That's all you need. You can use sugarless honey, but I'm just going to use regular honey. So you need 2 teaspoons of honey. Then I'm going to use fresh ginger. That amount is enough to bring the flavor together. A little bit more ginger, okay? And then I will add a little bit orange zest in it. Want to put a little bit of salt to balance the sweetness. Oh wow, delicious, very tasty. This is how it come out. I'm going to pan-sear the salmon from honey lime glaze. Got a nice crispy at the bottom, and then I will flip the top over quickly like this to seal the black pepper and the salt. Quickly, you want the salmon to be half cooked before you put the glaze at the top. Because once you put the glaze, you only have like 30 seconds to 45 seconds for the glaze to settle. So you want the salmon to be pretty much nearly cooked. I'm going to introduce the lime, honey lime glaze. And then so that the honey can penetrate, and then you can get a nice texture. One. Love. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Now it's done. You see, when you see that, when you get this nice, beautiful color at the top, your salmon is done. Let's make mango lamb salsa salad. I use some red onion. I have some carrots and celery. I stir fry the carrots and celery to give me a nice crunchy and soft flavor. And I'm going to use one mango. I want the mango to be small pieces, not too big. Tiny bit. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my cooking. You can cut the mango to your desired size. Look at beautiful color. Let's make the vinaigrettes. For the vinaigrettes, I will use one lime, one orange. The secret, I will add a little bit lemon zest to it to elevate the flavor. I will add a little bit. Look at that beautiful, tasty mango salsa is done. Now, if you want a tasty, delicious, do your mango salsa just like Chinty, Caribbean balance. Instead of bell pepper, you stir fry your carrots and celery. That will give you a delicious combination. Now it's time for plating, my favorite part. Look at all the salmon came out. Look at that. Lime glazed salmon. Look at. Beautiful. Of course, my signature green oil made with spinach, basil, cilantro, parsley. My God, this oil, guy, make every dish taste better. Oh, I love my green oil. This is my signature green oil. We have in one plate our honey lamb glazed salmon with assorted bell pepper, stir-fried cauliflower, and our delicious mango lamb salsa. Beautiful, gorgeous. This is the kind of meal I love to make. Healthy, tasty, bold flavor. Oh my God. Let's taste it. I will start with the cabbage. Oh la la. See you on my next video. Subscribe to JT Caribbean Balance Kitchen. Now, would you try it? Would you? Look how beautiful that is.